Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very clean 2008 GMC Envoy Denali 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9112B. 118,000 miles on this local trade. Summit white in color. This Envoy seats 5, leather interior. Rear audio as well as climate control. Split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Trailering package. Lots of cargo space in the rear. As I said, very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Denali has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, and memory settings for 2 drivers. Power seats along with power adjustable pedals. Moonroof. Gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. 6-disc CD changer, dual zone automatic temperature control, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Envoy has a 5.3-liter V8, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 13 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Envoy, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.